Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here and hope you're doing awesome today. Now today I shall be doing the unboxing and long-term review of the Razer Atheris productivity mouse. Let's begin. And welcome back guys. Now I've had this mouse for a long time and you know the advantage of that is that I can bring you guys the thoughts I've had for over that long period of time I've been using it. But before I give you my thoughts, let's do a quick unboxing. On the front of the box, and I can see Razer branding as well as Atheris, which is the name of the mouse of course. Going on to the back of the box and I can see a few feature highlights of the Atheris. On opening up the box, I see the mouse, a documentation that includes a thank you note, which I've always loved, Razer sticker and user guide. Taking a closer look at the mouse, and it is rather small. It has ridges by the side that help with grip. As regards to buttons, there is the back and forward button on the right, as well as the DPI button in the middle. Now talking about the middle, removing it reveals the dongle as well as the batteries. Underneath the mouse, I find the sensor as well as the buttons to switch between Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz mode thanks to the provided dongle. Essentially, you can use the Atheris in both Bluetooth or via the dongle. Now, while I do have big hands, so that sort of invalidates this a little bit, the Atheris is extra small for me. Now, if you have regular size hands, it is just a very small mouse. Now, I've been using the mouse for over 6 months now, and I'll be bringing you some things I've observed while using it. Now, first up is battery life. Now, while Razer claims that this should last for up to 350 hours on the website, actually, I never changed the batteries for 6 months. Yes, that's not a typo. 6 months. Another thing that I've noticed is that this mouse works everywhere. Now, some places I've used it includes a table, the rug, the floor, a face, another face, my pants, the wall, the chair, and more. This mouse works everywhere. And when it came to tracking, well, I have actually not found where this would not work, except perhaps underwater. Maybe I should do that test. When it comes to connectivity, I usually use the Atheris in Bluetooth mode with my laptop. Now, while I plug the dongle into my desktop, this means I can effectively use the mouse for 2 computers, which is actually cool. All I have to do is flip the switch. Finally, when it comes to size, this is where the Atheris sort of loses points, at least for me. Due to my large hands, I have to claw grip the Atheris, and that can get uncomfortable, especially over long periods of time. If you have big hands, this will definitely be uncomfortable for you, believe me. Moving on to price, and the Atheris, while small, costs $50 US, which I think is actually a fair price when it comes to the form factor, when it comes to the battery life, which is killer. When it comes to connectivity options, Razer doesn't market it as a multi-computer mouse, but you can actually use it on multiple computers, at least 2 computers at a time, with flipping that switch at the back there. So what do you think about the Atheris? What do you think about the price? What do you think about the battery life? What do you think about the size? And let me know in the comment section down there below. Huge shout out to Razer for sending this over a long time ago. I know it's taking so long, but yeah, stuff has happened in between. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed bringing it to you, and irrespective of anything, please make sure you take care of yourself. If you like this video, I'd like it if you give it a big fat thumbs up. If you dislike it, that's also fine. Dislike, and don't just dislike, let me know what you do not like as well, so that I can improve in the future. And like I said, please take care of your awesome, amazing self. You are worth it. You're amazing. You're special. If you've not heard it today, well, I'm telling you. And sometimes you don't believe that yourself. Sometimes I don't believe that myself, but I really do have that faith that you are meant for great things. Anyways, enough motivation for today, both for me and for you. And I shall catch you in the next video. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.